Hi, I'm Lerma Bugtong, and you can call me Lerma. I'm currently studying early childhood educations at Seneca College. I choose this program because I enjoy working with children and I want to support their growth and development in a positive and caring environment. In my free time, I like watching movies, listening to music, and spending time with my friends and family. I also enjoy visiting peaceful places and taking care pictures of nature. My Seneca email address is elbugtong@myseneca.ca. This video, I will share some of my pictures and video. A natural place that is special to me is a Beaver Lake. I visited this place during early fall last year, and it was a very memorable experience for me. The place is surrounded by trees and lake, and during that time, the leaves were changing into beautiful colors like red, orange, and yellow. I remember being by seeing many leaves on the grounds and I even played with them, which made me feel like a kid again. The lake was calm and the environment was very peaceful. I would hear birds, the sounds of leaves moving with the wind, and people quietly enjoying the place. The air felt cold and fresh, and everything looked relaxing and natural. Being there made me feel calm, happy, and connected to nature. It helped me forget about stress and just enjoy the moment. This place means a lot to me because it reminds me to slow down and appreciate simple things in life. I feel connected to this place through the memories I created there, especially through the photos I took and the experience of being surrounded by nature. It also reflects part of who I am. I value peaceful environment and taking time to care of my well-being. Places like Beaver Lake can be affected by environmental issues such as pollution, climate change, and too many visitors. This can damage the natural environment and affect its beauty. This is why it's important to protect places like this so that future generations can also enjoy and feel connected to nature. Thank you.